So good day everyone, I am Cheristan and I will show you how I execute the following steps in our laboratory PT6 using AWS Academy. So to start off, I already logged in my account in AWS Academy and I already go to Lab 1. It is under Module 4. So again, to start our laboratory, so we will choose Start Lab to launch our lab. So this may take a while. So you can start your laboratory if your lab status is ready. So here in our lab status, it is still in creation. Now our lab status is ready. Now we can start our laboratory in Osaka. So let's close this. Then at the top of this instruction, choose pause. So we will be directed to pause console. Then in the console, select services. So in the navigation pane on the left, in our management console, we will choose user groups. Then these are the following groups that have already created. This is the group created for us. Then we will choose EC2 support. Then choose permission tab. Then choose the plus icon next to the Amazon EC2 read-only access policy to view the policy details. So this is the plus icon. Then choose this to hide the details. Again, in the navigation pane on the left, choose user groups. Then choose S3 support group and then choose the permissions tab. And again, is the policy details. Then again, back to User group, we will choose EC2 admin. And again, permission, policy. Then next for the business scenario. So this is our next task. So we will add users to group. So in the left navigation pane, choose user groups. Then choose S3 support. Then choose the user tab. Then in the users tab, choose add user. Then in the add user to S3 support window, configure the following. So we will select user 1. Then we will add it user 1. Then add users. Then next we will add user 2 to the EC2 support group. Then back to user group. Then choose EC2 support. Then again, user tab, click add user. We will select user 2, then add user. Then next, we will add user 3 to the EC2 admin group. So again, back to user group, then EC2 admin. We will select user 3, again user tab, then add user, then user 3, then add user. So as you've noticed, each group should now have 1 in the users column for the numbers of users in each group. So here you can see all of them have 1 user. So in the navigation pane on the left, choose dashboard. Then an IAM user signed in link is displayed on the right. Then here is our URL. We will copy the sign in URL for IAM user. Let me just put it in Notepad. So we need to open a private window. So I already opened here. Then we will paste the link. Then click enter. Then we will sign in with this username and this password. So it says here in the services menu, choose S3. The S3. Then choose the name of the bucket that exists in the account and browse the contents. So this is the bucket. So we will just browse the sample bucket. So this is the Objects tab, Properties tab, then the Permission tab. So here we're just browsing the sample doc. Then next, the Metrics tab, then Management, and Access Points. Then let's go back to our console. Then next, in the services menu, choose EC2. Next, EC2. So in the left navigation pane, choose Instances. So these instances. So as you notice in our instances, you cannot see any instances. Instead, you see a message that states you are not authorized to perform this operation. This is because this user has not been granted any permission to access Amazon EC2. So here. So next, we will sign in as user 2. So let me just sign out or user 1. And again, we will paste the sign in link. So let me just copy this. Then we will sign it as user 2. So this is our username, user 2. Then this is our password. So next, in the services, we will choose EC2. So in the navigation pane on the left, choose instances. Then you are now able to see an Amazon EC2 instance because you have read only permission. However, you will not be able to make any changes to Amazon EC2 resources. So if you cannot see an Amazon EC2 instance, then your region may be incorrect. So in the top right of the screen, pull down the region menu. Select the region that you noted as the start of the lab. So for example, Virginia. So let's try. So as you observe, we still have no any instances in this region, maybe because I don't include the N Virginia. Let's try to change our region. So here, I change my region to end Virginia. So there will be instances. So it says here that we need to select the instance name lava host. This is the lava host. And in the instance state menu above, select stop instance. To stop instance, we will click this instant IP, then stop instance. Then in the stop instance window, you will select stop. So you will receive an error stating you are not authorized to perform this operation. So this demonstrates that the policy only allows you to view information without making changes. So as you see, uh, build to stop instance. Then choose X. Choose the X to close the field to stop instance message. Just close this. Then next, you will check if user 2 can access Amazon S3. So services, then S3. So in this service S3, you will see the message you don't have permission to use buckets because user 2 does not have permission to access Amazon S3. So there's no buckets. Then next, we will sign in as user 3. So again, we will sign out for user 2. Then again, we will paste the IAM user's sign-in link. So I will just copy this again. So in our username, then password. So in In the services menu, choose EC2. Then again, in the navigation pane on the left, choose instances. So as an EC2 administrator, we should now have permissions to stop the Amazon EC2 instance. So again, if you cannot see an Amazon EC2 instance, then your region may be incorrect. So in the top right of the screen, pull down the region menu and select the region that you noted at the start of your lab. So for example, in Virginia. So it's in the instance state menu, choose stop instance. So as you can see, the lab host name uh, in the instance state, it's stopping because as an EC2 administrator, you have the permission to stop. Then at the last step of our laboratory, so choose end lab and then select yes to confirm that you want to end the lab. So choose lab, then yes. So that's for my demonstration of our PT6 in system administration and